Okay, so continuing with using divs, it says this web page uses several different sections to discuss volcanoes. Each section of the page is contained in a different div. Each section contains a link and a short definition. Add statements to make divs have font weight, bolder, and color the text indigo. Since we want the three parts of the site to be distinct, each div has a class creating the rules listed in styles.css. To give each div a different background color, feel free to add additional styles to the pages. For instance, you could make each page's background match the home pages by adding a class to the body tag. For example, lava.html add class lava to the body tag to make the background red. Okay, so as you can see right now, it doesn't really look like anything. The picture that it had up there earlier, like everything was all colored and cool looking. So we're going to start with our index. And oh man, okay. So we have to link the style sheet. It didn't do that for us this time. So we'll go ahead and we'll do that. So we'll do link space rel equals quotation marks style sheet, and then space type equals quotation marks text / CSS. And then we're going to do another space, href equals quotation marks styles dot CSS. And then we'll put our little end doodad there. And let's see. Do we need anything else? Oh, yeah. Okay, we've already got our div classes on here. Okay, so at least we don't have to do that. I don't think there's anything else we need to do on this page. I think most of the stuff we're going to need to do is actually in the CSS itself. We need to link all of these pages. So I'm just going to copy this because it's going to be the same on every page. Command C. We'll go to lava. Go here. Enter. Paste. Magma. Go here. Enter. Paste. And then volcano. Go here. Enter. Paste. Okay. And then let me just make sure there's nothing else I need to put on here. Okay, we've already got our div class. And then magma. We already put that on there. We've got our div class already in. And then let's go to our styles now and we'll see what we need to do. Okay, so A, dark slate blue, magma, div. Okay, here's where it wants us to add stuff. Okay. So it wants us to make the font weight bolder and the text color indigo. So we'll highlight this and we will do color : indigo. And we'll go down and we will do font weight. Oops. : bolder. And then we also have to add rules for the navigation, volcano, and lava. So what we'll do is we'll highlight this. We will do .lava and our little curly Q doodad. And then we're going to do background color -color : red. And it really just wants us to do all the background colors. So I'm going to just copy that. Then I'm going to go down here. And I'm going to do .volcano. Make sure you spell it right or else it's not going to work. Because they've already spelled the div out for you. I'm going to paste it there and then I'm going to change the color from red to burly wood. And then I'm going to go down again, and I'm going to do .nav. And a little curly Q thing. And then I'm going to do background color. And this one I'm going to do Misty Rose. And I think that should be it. Let's look what our output looks like. Okay, so we've got all this. Let's test it out. Class magma should have a background color. Oh, we didn't do. Oh, background image. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, so we've got to change this image. And it just wants us to have. So I'm going to make it light salmon. And you need to erase image and do color. Okay, let's check the code now. Okay, there we go. Alright, we got it all. What did the output even look like now? Oh, magma changed. That's interesting. Alright, well, we got all green check marks, so we are good to go. So we'll click submit and continue, and we are all done.